This is Chuck's Workshop. Welcome back. Today is going to be something just pretty simple. Actually, it's the assembly of the springs and keepers and stuff on the Hoglet head. It's very simple, about 2-minute video. Hope you all enjoy. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you a bunch. Alright, we got a quickie video. Let's see if I can get you in here and see if we can have you see what's going on. Don't know if I got a lot of room here, so my hands hopefully won't be in the way. Yes, they will. Alright, so anyhow, we got our valves. Put a little oil on them. Get them to slip in there nice. And it's simple with this setup. Is you put the spring on, and you put the keeper on, and here's where everything kind of gets in the way. So you push this down, put your little clip in, watch the clip pop off, put the clip in again, and then you take your needle nose pliers, you kind of grab it and let it go, boom, just like that, and that's what you end up with. So let me do the other one quick, and the second head will be done, and then I can move on. Trying to figure out exactly what everything I got left to do. I have to make the camshaft, which is, in my mind, you know, I'm an amateur at best, and now you're asking me to make a camshaft. What are you thinking? So anyhow, there's that. Very nice though. Found some springs at a place that makes and sells springs. That's all they do in California. I was going to make them like they said, and by the time I looked at all the wires and everything else, this place allows you to find the right inside diameter. It gives you different spring tensions, and it gives you outside diameters and heights and all that kind of stuff. So but that's how simple that was.